When was the last time you took out time to clean your code? The last couple of reels have been pretty intensive, and so I just wanted to take a step back today and just emphasize the importance of keeping your code clean. Sometimes we leave in too many comments and add like weird spacing to things and stuff, and that can actually be counterproductive because it just jumbles up our mind when we're trying to write new code. Also, I did want to say that if you want to save a snapshot of what you're doing, I know that Xcode does have history and you can also use GitHub and things like that, but you can also just make a comment at the very end of your code and just save what you have if you're ever making a lot of changes and you're worried you might want to go back a couple steps really quickly. Besides that, what I'm doing is just going in and spacing everything out really well, and also I'm using a shortcut of Command Option and then the left arrow key to close up some of the functions in my view model. And this just helps them take up less space so that they're not as much in the way if we don't need to see the entire code for them. Overall, I just wanted to make this a super light reel, and thank you guys who have been watching this series of building a tracker app entirely on Reels/Shorts. I promise that in the next reel, we're going to get back to coding.